What's up, everybody? It's Bailey. Good morning. It is 7 o'clock. I'm waiting to go inside. I'm at Kiss FM. And we are going to talk Lincoln's Legends with Bonzi and Sarah. Sorry for the heavy yawn or exhale, but this is awesome. It's early. I don't have any caffeine. I'll click in with you soon.
I gotta choose my words carefully. They've been over with the fine tooth comb. I'm not talking universally. This personality is right at home.
Did you? I heard you say. Dang it! I heard you say it.
Damn it. It's a Monday. You don't put people on camera on a Monday.
I got a YouTube channel. How am I not supposed to put people on camera?
In the studio right now, very cool, you know, and I'm even going to actually use the word kind of honored to have Jeremy in here.
Oh, wowzers.
Kinda. I threw the kinda.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Kinda honored to have this guy here in the studio with us, because this guy busts his butt and he does a lot of work for nothing. I don't say for nothing, for free. I mean, this guy here is probably one of the hardest working guys I've met.
You're pretty awesome.
In the media, and period. All right, and you do a good job. It's very professional. It's put together well, and I'm glad to have you here, buddy.
We're gonna drop the next one very, very soon.